Hey friends, on today's quick tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sum columns here in Google Sheets. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that we can do this. As you can see, I've got a really simple spreadsheet here. So I've got some sales folks, I've got their sales that they have completed within these specific months, and I've got a totals line down here. So what I want to do is I want this to show the total of the column above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the box, obviously where I want it to show up. Okay, once we've highlighted the cell, we want to enter our function into, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. I'm going to click these three dots and we're going to hit this little function symbol. You may have this up in your toolbar already. If not, this is where you're going to find it. Let me click on this and then we're going to do a sum. Now, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different formulas to choose from up here. Again, the most popular ones usually populate up here in the top. I'm going to click sum. And then as you can see, it's giving us the formula here. And we just need to insert the cells that we want it to add up. In this case, it's going to be B2 right here through B5 over here. That's how you identify the different cells. So let me type that in. We're going to do B2 colon B5. And then I'm just going to hit the enter key. And as you can see, it's now summed those specific cells. We can then actually copy and paste this over into our other column total area. Now that's the long form way of doing it. Let me show you something that's just a little bit easier. So again, I'm over here on this cell, and this time I'm going to hit the equals button on my keyboard. As you can see, when I do that, it automatically knows that you most likely are going to want the sum option. And so it's going to bring up this formula here. It's also going to anticipate what it thinks you want. You can click down here if this mirrors it perfectly. For me, it's not going to be exactly that. I want to show you a little trick. I'm going to type the word sum. It can be in that lowercase is fine. I'm going to do the left parentheses. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and I'm going to drag all of these cells. In fact, I'm going to do one more down here. And then when I release and put that left symbol and hit enter, it adds up. Again, I really like that drag feature because you can select a whole bunch of cells instead of going here and manually typing things in. There again is the formula right there. That's how you sum a column in Google Sheets. Pretty simple once you know how to do it. Again, it may get a little more complicated when these columns get larger, but choose the cell you want, add your formula, should be good to go. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned, we make a ton of these Google Sheet tutorials. We got a bunch more coming up really soon. We'll see you again on the next one.